Hello everyone, my name is Mario. In this tutorial, I will show you how to embed a YouTube video into Canvas. All right, let's get right into it. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that you have an assignment that has set up a submission online, okay? Submission online, and you want to make sure that you allow text entry, okay? That's when they're submitting it. But for you to embed a video into Canvas, this is what you're going to do, okay? You can do it two ways. You're going to go to the insert, and then you're going to go to the little cloud here that says embed. All right, click there, and then you should be able to embed it there. Before, it used to be right here, embed media. So you click there, upload media, and it used to be right there to the far right. It's no longer there, so it has moved now. Also, it's right here, this little cloud right here. You can click there, and you should be able to embed. So how do you embed a YouTube video into Canvas? You're going to go right here to your video that you want to embed. So I already selected this video here that I want to embed. So I'm going to select one of my videos here when I'm teaching how to use Desmos. So I'm going to embed this video. So I'm going to go to share, and I want to go to the embed right here. So I'm just going to copy this. Okay. Exit out of here. Go back to your assignment. And then here you can just go to insert and then find the embed button and go ahead and just, so for that one was Control C. Now you're going to do Control V to paste everything. And it looks like it's going there. So this is the iframe, which is going to give you the video embedded into Canvas. Click submit, and there it is. Okay. Now that you're ready to post it, you're going to just click save, and your students should be able to see this video that is already there embedded into Canvas. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel. This is Mario, and I will see you on the next video.